first week of school holidays. It's a Monday and me and Kylie are going out for breakfast. So yeah. My tan is always so bad. That's okay. He's on her way to pick me up and I'm really excited because I'm really hungry. We're waiting for the second train.
Yeah. I'm so awkward.
I'm not. I won't put that in. Do you get camera shy?
I'm a little camera shy.
That's okay. It's all good.
It's fine.
Our food is here. We got home and now we're back at my house and we're just gonna see how the night goes and see what we end up doing. So we're in the Macca's drive. Oh shit! We're in the Macca's drive-through and we're going. Oh. So we're we're just in the Macca's drive-through. Now we're going to pick up Sarah.
That way.
Shut up. We're gonna. Can we turn this off? Sorry. To pick up Sarah, and then we've decided we're going to the Krispy Kreme drive-through to get some donuts. We picked up Sarah. Wait. Oh.
It's not really.
I know that wasn't good. Oh, that's what I meant.
Here it is. Pick any 12. Hershey's cookies and cream.
So I want the
Filled
dipped.
or dipped?
I want.
Oh, filled?
No. Okay. I want one dipped,
Yeah.
one filled.
Yeah.
That's
2.
Should I get 3 original? No, 2 original.
Yeah, you got 2 more then.
And then, like, for the, like a strawberry one
Yeah.
for Dad.
And what else?
Like, is there another?
We'll have a look.
Okay.
Welcome to Krispy Kreme. What can I get for you?
So 1 Hershey's cookies and cream filled.
Bill?
Yeah. And then
Yeah.
1 dipped.
Yeah.
Then 2 original glazed.
Yeah.
And then a strawberry jam.
Yeah. Strawberry jam.
Chocolate ice. And then the Simpsons donut, please. That was
Oh, that was.
Which one are you going to try first? Oh, you know how I was saying how I hate when people do the finger licking? I just did it. I just licked my finger. I'm disappointed.
What are we trying? The cookies and cream?
Yeah.
This. Ready?
I hate not being.
Alright, ready? Did you just ready, set, go?
Oh my god. Yeah, that's really good.
That was so good. You like hiding?
Yeah.
That's really, really good. Oh, and I'm going to taste... Wait, can I taste that?
Mm-hmm. Dip that.
This is Sarah's, but like...
Dip your finger in that.
Oh my god. That's like.
Good too.
Plum.
Ah! That's so good. I'm going back
Was
to
it busy?
It got busy after we ordered.
Can I say?
I love the original.
Oh, I feel so bad for people watching this.
Why?
Because I want to
I
eat
think they're
it.
waiting for us. I'm sorry, we're not
And
going.
it's like, you have to come to Brunswick.
Yeah, we're not.
Oh, wait, no, you can get them from 7-Eleven. Why did we come to Brunswick?
We're not in Brunswick.
Oh.
Close. Good try. A+ for effort. I feel like I'm in America. No, I feel like I'm in like Springfield.
Well, I did get the Simpsons donut.
Yeah, where is it? Oh, it's in the bag.
Let's try it. The
Do you wanna try
Simpsons donut.
Yeah. Doesn't it just like taste like a
You
normal
just
pink
bit my
donut?
finger. Oh my god, this one's the best.
Oh, that is good. It tastes like a good old donut.
Do you want to try the Simpsons one? Alright.
Oh, they're so sickly sweet.
That was good.
Like, it's fine because we're here for a good time, not a long time. So,
you a fuckboy?
no. I think I spilled donut all over my pants. Okay, anyway, there you go. Where are we? It's day 2 of the holidays and I'm coming into my hairdressers because they asked me to come in so they could take some photos and like do my hair and stuff. So that's what I'm doing today. And I just got my hair done. I'm currently waiting on my Uber.
Is this one?
Yeah. Thank you.
No worries. Have a good day.
So I just got back from my hairdressers. They wanted me to come in so they could take some photos of my hair. My Uber was really cute, like it was so nice. I'm home. Going to a party. Dressed like this. Wait, we need a ledge. Yeah. Oh my god. I already made it. I haven't, so this is my debut. Hey, what's up? Katie's vlog. This is my debut. I'm so happy. I'm actually so happy about it. Tamika, wait, made it. I hope this goes in. It will. Wait, we made it. I made the vlog. Wait, let me do it again. We all make it. I made the vlog. Yeah. I love this. Same. So this is our hashtag vlog. Hey, not doing much. We no, that can be your clickbait. Yeah. The police came.
Does this have something in it? No. Alright, okay.
Why is the music turn off?
I don't know, that's a bit awkward.
Who turned it
Let's try to do the thumbnail here. Come on.
What's that? Lift that.
Living for it. Live it.
Can we just say hi?
That's
Who's
in
in it?
What's this for? What's
Yeah,
this for?
vlog. The vlog.
Wait, what happens if the police see this?
Yo, you can't get in trouble for it. So the police came and
I don't want my facial recognition to be facial.
Blaine is an idiot.
No, we'll blank
We
his
will-
name.
No, we'll put a little mugshot.
Do I have to start from the start?
Yeah, just keep rolling.
So Beeb got taken away from the police using a hat trick.
A hat trick.
Yeah.
A hat trick. Hat trick.
And after
They got
Blank at primary
what does
school.
Blake
Blank.
mean?
no. Okay, that was good.
At the primary school.
At the blank primary school.
So blank got in trouble for
Stealing
breaking into blank's primary school, but blank didn't go into blank's primary school.
No, because they were just all
So
framed.
basically,
framed. They were framed. Blank was framed.
Blank was framed for going into the blank
Yeah.
primary school.
Blank was framed to going into blank primary school.
Yeah, there we go.
Remember the time the police came and we all got interviewed and they took photos like
Yeah, mugshots.
here down,
Yeah,
which
they
was
took,
really
like,
weird. I don't know
Oh,
why.
did they take it from there?
Did
I was
like,
laughing.
the camera was like
Yes, I
down.
noticed it was down actually.
He's like doing my hair and he goes,
Oh,
Yeah, I was so
that's fine.
confused. Yeah, I was just
No, I legit asked. I was legit like,
Do I
so do I
smile?
smile? And they just said, I don't know. I was like,
Oh, did you ask?
yeah.
The postman just came and it was like crazy because I was literally not wearing anything. And I was like, I quickly chucked on this jumper and entered the door. Oh, this is cute. I finished getting ready. We're going out for dinner tonight. This is what I'm wearing. How excited out of 10 are you?
Not that excited.
Wow. Love my family.
Hop down the tree and get there. Oh, we're not the same.
Mum, calm your phone.
Oh, make it easy. I think we're so pretty.
I can't.
But I'm uploading this one, Katie.
Yeah.
I don't look good in your ones, but look at this, Katie. You're just like, yeah, I look really great, and then there's me.
I'm holding Carly's
Oh,
shoes
you look fine, but
because she doesn't have any. So I'm bringing her some. Best friend goals. Ew, it stinks in here. Ew!
What? Something's damp in here. That's
Something
what it's
died in here. Help me.
Hang on.
Sorry. Can I?
Nothing, just staying in bed and
I can't see you.
chilling.
Face looks like a tomato. So then an orange.